Those gorgeous mirrors come in different colors, but these two come in light green and light blue, so they look similar. This is pink, this is black, and this is white. 5 different colors. Guess what's inside this box? It's 100 pieces handheld mirrors that are small hand mirror with handle. They are plastic. They are perfect for travel, makeup and cosmetic bags. They come in many different colors, and this is the pink. They are 3.92 times 2.16 inches. They are for women and for girls, for kids, for daily DIY use as well. It comes in 5 different colors, including black, white, blue, pink, and green, 20 pieces of each color, and the abundant quality in various colors can meet your daily and sharing needs. It's made of a thickened material. These small hand mirrors are made of quality plastic and glass with smooth surfaces. They have a good handles, and the thickened plastic material is more sturdy, and the mirror is glued very firmly. Not easy to break and get dirty. And look, I'm going to put it inside my bag, inside that little pocket into my bag. Look at this. It can fit anywhere, very convenient, and you can take it everywhere with you. Look here at the quality of the picture. The quality of the mirror is really nice. The size is compact. It's beautiful. Those are the colors. I'm so in love with these mirrors, and I'm planning to put the names of my friends on them and give them away as gifts.